Right, taking a new what that plane was. I've just seen that plane here. We just saw coming in. That was this, as you can tell, that was obviously that was the North American Rockwell Commander 112/104. That is. So as you can see, the registration, as you can see there, which that registration here isn't right. Which this is the plane that we have seen apparently. Which this is basically the 2 tech. That's the 2 tech registration one, as you can see. So as you can see, that's got a call sign range there, which is 2 tech. Whereas you can see on that registration here is 2 mic, but obviously that isn't the right number plate though. So obviously this is not the right registration for that one. So as you can see, that was the Rockwell Commander 112/104. That was. Obviously this is the one that's now based at Nuke Airport at the moment, because of the other one. It's just because I don't know where the G-Tech is though, to be honest, but you know. So as you can see from here, this is where it just took off from. It's based at Corm Airport, Newquay. It's just literally took off just before 1:40 PM, which is, you know, just literally took off just before 1:45. It's based at Newquay Airport. That's where it took off from. Which, as you can see from here, is literally within about 33,000 feet from here. It's literally came in and passed towards Mitre Bridge, and then passed towards Honeywick Wood, by the looks of it. So as you can see now, it's still at 33,000 feet, but now passing over towards, just past where it drove by the looks of it. Okay, so, yep. Thanks for watching, bye bye.